Good morning, student, and welcome to the world of grammar. As we are reading chapter number 2, sentences, we have seen the statement, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence, and today we are going to read interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences means asks a question. The sentence which asks a question are known as interrogative sentences. Okay, but before just explaining you about the interrogative sentence, I want to tell you one of my secret. I want to reveal my secret at front of you. Do you want to listen? Yes, the secret is that I have 8 trusted workmen, or I can say the officers. I have trusted 8 officers. They just do what I just say to them. मैं उन्हें जो कहती हूँ वो मेरे लिए वही काम करते हैं. You can just say them like a spy. Spy means जासूस. They just do the work like a spy to me. What I just say to them, they just complete the work and just tell about me, about that thing. And these all 8 officers, I have given the name also. Do you want to know what's their name? They have a particular name and they have a particular work. So today I am going to introduce you with my trust workmen, or I can say my spy, my officers. So let's see what is the name of the first one. The name of the first officer is what? First is what. The second officer is who. The third officer, when. After then, the name of the fourth officer, is where. The name of the fourth officer is where. Then the name of the fifth officer, why. And the name of the sixth officer is whose. Then which. And his name is how. These are the name of my officers. They just do the work like a spy and give me the answer of my all queries. जो भी मुझे जानना होता है मैं सिर्फ इनको कहती हूँ और ये मुझे बता देते हैं. But they have a particular job. सब अपनी particular job करते हैं. एक दूसरे का work कोई नहीं करता है. Because I have divided their work. And what is their work? Let's see here. Their work I can see. And the group of this officer, I have given the name to this group. The group I have named them is WH World. This is the name of my group of the officers. Okay. Now let's see. Here if I write here WH World, and here I will write used to ask. Used to ask. What I asked to whom? What I asked to whom? If I just write here, first is what? First is what? Whenever I just want to know about any idea or any action or anything, I just say to the what? What I say? If I know about the thing, then I ask him what is in this bag, and he reply me the answer. There are the chocolates in this bag. Means action, what are you doing? idea. What is your plan? Means about idea, action, thing. What always explain me. Then the second is who. Who just tell me about the person. About the person. Who are you? Who is your father? Means talking about the person. Then the third is when. When just tell me about the time. Whenever I just want to know the time, I just ask to the when. And he just tell me, when are you coming? Means time. And he just reply me. After then there is where. Where, it just tell me about the place. Where are you going? Means place. After then the next is why. Why, and why just reply me the answer of the reason. Why are you so late in the school today? Why are you laughing? Why are you crying? Means for all the reason, I just asked to why and he just searched the answer for me. After then there is whose. Whose, when I want to know about the possession. Possession means to whom belongs. Kiska hai? In the school also, if the pencil is there, what you ask? Whose pencil is this? Ye pencil kiski hai? Means possession. For asking the possession, we just use the word whose. After then there is which. Which just tell us how to select between two things. So I can write choice. Between two things, the choice is the which. Which color you need, which color shoes you like, okay? For the choice, there is the which. And the next is how. How means in which manner. How means manner. Manner means I like the biryani how your mother cooked it. तुम्हारी आपकी मम्मा ने वो बिरयानी कैसे बनाई मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी. कैसे means how. Means these are my 8 officers that I told you who just do all the work for me, and they just do the work for you also. But you have to ask the particular work to the particular officer. If you ask to where is in the bag, he will not tell. Only what will tell what is in the bag, because they have the particular work that I have written here. And if you will ask them the particular work, they will do the work for you also. I hope all of you just became the friends of these 8 officers. Sure? Yes. So, again I am repeating what tell us about idea, action, who, person, when, time, where, place, why, reason, whose, possession, which, choice, how, manner. Let's do some questions and exercise to understand them more well. Okay? Yes, students, now we will see some examples. The first is here. He is standing on the roadside, and you have to make the interrogative sentence. Means you have to just use the WH words. What will you just use? He is standing on the roadside. What will be the answer? वह रोड साइड पे खड़ा है. The question will be वह कहाँ खड़ा है? कहाँ means place, where. Then I will write here, where is he standing? Where is he standing? And then question mark. We have to use the question mark. Number 2 is his mother is with him. His mother is with him. This is the answer? What will be the question? उसके साथ उसकी mother है. Question will be उसके साथ कौन है? कौन means person, and I have told you just now, for the person we use who. Who is with him? Who is with him? Then question mark. The third is Raghav is holding an ice cream. Raghav is holding an ice cream. राघव ने आइसक्रीम होल्ड की हुई है. राघव ने क्या होल्ड किया है? मीन्स थिंग. What? What is Raghav? What is Raghav holding? What is Raghav holding? Question mark. Next is Zara is a good student. And the fifth is Zara enjoys mathematics. By these two examples, I want to tell you, sometimes we can just change the answer in the question by using is, are, do, does. Just use this word at the starting and it will become the question. For example, Zara is a good student. If I use this is at the starting, is Zara a good student? Question mark. Is Zara a good student? Answer was Zara एक अच्छी student है. Is becomes here the question. क्या Zara एक अच्छी student है? Zara enjoys mathematics. We can make the question of this by using this does. Because enjoys there is S, so the question will be does. Then it will came like this. Does Zara, this is S, okay? Does Zara enjoy mathematics? Last two example, I want to just tell you that at the beginning of the sentence, if you use is, are, do, does, means helping verb. These are the helping verb. If you use the helping verb at the starting of the sentence will be the interrogative sentence. For more practice, we will do the exercise in our book. So, keep practicing, keep learning. Thank you, students. Goodbye.